My dear chosen one, I am speaking to you right now. You are not imagining this, chosen one, you are feeling my presence in your room. Something has already been moving around you, chosen one, but it is not here to harm you. It is me, your God, standing closer than you think. I see you, chosen one, when you are alone in silence. I see how your heart beats faster, because you feel something different in the air. Do not be afraid, chosen one, this is your divine moment. Something big is about to happen in your life, and that is why you can feel me so strongly now. Chosen one, I have been protecting you from things you never even saw. Every step you took in darkness, I was there. Every tear you cried alone, I collected them, chosen one. And now I am closer than ever. You may feel something in your room, a shift, a presence, a silent movement. But listen carefully, chosen one, it is not fear, it is preparation. I am preparing you for what is coming next. You were never ordinary, chosen one, you were selected before you even understood life. That is why things feel different for you now. That is why silence feels louder. That is why your spirit feels awake at night. Chosen one, I am calling your attention back to me. Do not let fear take your heart. Because what you feel is my light touching your world. Something in your room is shifting, yes, but it is spiritual alignment. Chosen one, I am removing what cannot follow you into your next season. That is why you feel energy changing around you. That is why you feel watched over. But you are not alone, never alone, chosen one. I am surrounding you with protection you cannot see. And very soon, everything in your life will begin to move fast. Doors will open, chosen one, that no one can close. And what was delayed will suddenly come forward. Stay calm, stay close to me. Because the shift you feel in your room, is the same shift happening in your destiny. Chosen one. I am speaking to your spirit right now. Do not ignore this feeling. You were chosen for a reason, and now the reason is waking up. Chosen one. I am not finished speaking to you yet. What you are feeling in your room right now, is not random. It is the beginning of a divine turning point. Chosen one. You thought it was just fear, or imagination. But I am telling you the truth, it is awareness, spiritual awareness. You are starting to notice what was always there but hidden from your eyes. Chosen one. I have been preparing your spirit in silence for a long time. Even when you felt lost. I was building your strength. Even when you felt alone. I was shaping your path. Now the energy around you is changing because your season is changing. Chosen one, do not resist it. Because what is coming next will feel different, faster, stronger, undeniable. I am removing confusion from your mind. I am breaking delays that were holding you back. And that is why you feel movement in your space, in your room, in your spirit. Chosen one, nothing is random anymore in your life. Every sign you see now has meaning. Every silence you feel has purpose. I am closer to you in this moment than you have ever understood before. And I am telling you clearly, do not be afraid of what you sense around you. Because fear is not from me. What you feel is my guidance pulling you forward. Chosen one. I am opening doors that were locked for years. And I am closing paths that were not meant for you. That is why you feel the shift in your room. It is alignment happening in real time. Very soon, you will understand why everything had to happen this way. Chosen one, I never left you, not even for a second. I was there when you doubted yourself. I was there when you cried without telling anyone. And I am here now, speaking directly into your spirit. Stay strong, stay aware. Because what is moving in your life now is not ordinary time anymore. It is divine timing, and you are at the center of it, chosen one. Chosen one, listen to me very carefully in this moment. What you are sensing is increasing, because the shift is becoming stronger. You are not going crazy, you are becoming aware, chosen one. And awareness feels heavy at first, because not everyone is meant to see what you are starting to feel. I am waking your spirit up slowly, gently, step by step. That is why even your sleep feels different now. That is why your thoughts are deeper than before. Chosen one, you are entering a new level of your destiny. And when a new level begins, the old energy cannot stay the same. That is what you are feeling in your room, the release of old energy. Do not fear it, chosen one, it is necessary. I am removing invisible burdens you carried for years without knowing. I am breaking silent chains that were holding your future back. And now your surroundings respond to that change. Chosen one, I want you to understand something deeply. You were never abandoned, even in your lowest moments. Even when life felt unfair, I was shaping something greater for you. And now that something is starting to move toward you. That is why everything around you feels different. That is why your heart becomes sensitive to small changes. Chosen one, I am preparing you for doors you have never seen before. Stay calm, stay grounded in me. Do not let confusion enter your mind. Because confusion is the only thing that can slow what I am doing for you, chosen one. What you feel moving in your room is not a threat. It is a transition, a sacred one. You are leaving one chapter of life behind, and stepping into another. Chosen one, very soon you will look back at this moment. And you will understand why I spoke to you this way, why you felt everything so deeply. Because it was never just a feeling. It was preparation for your awakening. Chosen one, I am still with you, even now. Do not rush your thoughts, do not panic about what you feel. Everything happening around you is guided, carefully guided, chosen one. Even the silence you hear at night has meaning. Even the sudden awareness in your room has purpose. I am teaching your spirit to recognize my presence without fear. Chosen one, you were never meant to live blind to this truth. That is why your sensitivity is increasing now. That is why small things feel bigger than before. Because your spirit is being refined. I am polishing you for what is ahead. And what is ahead is not small. It is a shift that will change your direction completely. Chosen one, and this shift will bring about a new perspective, a new way of seeing things. Chosen one. I am still speaking to you, even in this moment. Do not think this is ending, because your awakening is not finished yet. What you feel in your room, the presence, the movement, the silence that feels alive. It is not to scare you. Chosen one, it is to open your awareness. I am showing you that you are never alone, not even for a second. Even when you think no one sees you, I see you clearly. Even when you think no one hears you, I hear every thought. Chosen one. And now I am drawing you closer to understanding. You are stepping into a season where truth becomes stronger than fear. And fear starts losing its power over you. Chosen one, the changes you feel around you are not random at all. They are signals, small divine signals. Your life is being redirected in ways you cannot fully understand yet. But soon, everything will make sense. I am preparing moments for you that will feel like sudden breakthroughs. Things you stopped hoping for will suddenly move. Doors you thought were closed forever will open again. Chosen one, do not doubt what I am doing in your life. Even if you do not see progress yet, I am working beyond what your eyes can see. And what you feel in your room is only a reflection of that unseen work. I am clearing paths, removing delays, separating you from what cannot grow with you. That is why certain feelings feel heavy right now. It is release, not loss. Chosen one. And I want you to understand this deeply. Nothing in your life is wasted, not your pain, not your waiting, not your silence. Everything is being used to shape your future strength. Chosen one, stay steady in your heart. Because what is coming will require calmness, not fear. And I am already placing that calmness inside you, slowly, gently. You are not losing control, you are gaining understanding. And very soon, you will look back at this moment, and say, now I understand why I felt everything so deeply, in my room. Chosen one, I am still here with you. And now I want you to listen, more deeply than before, to the feelings, and the sensations, that are arising within you. What you are feeling, is reaching its final stage, of preparation. The intensity you sense, in your room, the quiet awareness, the strange feeling of presence. It is not growing, to harm you, chosen one, it is growing, to reveal you to yourself. I am bringing you, into a level of clarity, you have never experienced before. And clarity, often feels unfamiliar, at first. That is why your emotions, feel stronger now. That is why your thoughts, move faster, than usual. Chosen one, I am aligning, your inner world, with your outer path. And when alignment happens, everything, around you, begins to respond. People, situations, timing, everything shifts, quietly. You may not notice it, all at once, but it is already happening. Chosen one, I am not rushing, your destiny. I am unfolding it, at the exact moment, it will not break you. That is why delay, was protection, not rejection. That is why silence, was preparation, not abandonment. And now, you are stepping, into answers, you have waited for. Chosen one, I want you to release, the fear, you have been carrying, in your chest. Because fear, cannot exist, where divine alignment, is taking place. I am replacing, that fear, with awareness. Slowly, gently, deeply. And soon, you will feel, a calm strength, inside you, that you cannot explain. Chosen one, the things you sensed in your room were never meant to confuse you forever. They were only meant to wake you up. And now, you are awake enough to understand that you are guided. Every step, every pause, every change. I am in all of it. Chosen one, what is coming next in your life will feel like sudden clarity, and this feeling will be very calming. It will be a sense of knowing that everything is falling into place. Like everything finally starts to move in the right direction at once, and this will be a very peaceful experience. And when that happens, you will realize, slowly, that everything has been leading up to this moment. I was not far from you at any point, I was always near, and I was shaping your path, even when you could not see a single sign, or any indication of what was to come. I am speaking into your heart right now. You have felt everything for a reason, every shift, every silence, every strange moment in your room. But now I want you to understand the truth clearly, chosen one. You were never being visited by fear. You were being guided into awareness. I have been with you in every season of your life, not only in the good moments, but in the broken ones too. When you thought you were alone, I was holding you. When you thought nothing was changing, I was building your future quietly. Chosen one, what you are stepping into now is not confusion anymore, it is understanding. The movement you felt, the presence you sensed, the heaviness in your room. It was never meant to trap you in fear. It was meant to wake you up to the reality that your life is being guided with purpose. Chosen one, I am not far, I am closer than your breath. And I have already opened paths ahead of you that you cannot see yet. Very soon, things will start shifting in your favor, without explanation. Delays will break, opportunities will appear, and what was once stuck will begin to flow. Chosen one, do not return to fear after this moment. Because fear belongs to the old version of you. And you are no longer that version anymore. You are being strengthened, prepared, and lifted into something greater. Stay calm in your heart, stay steady in your mind. Because I am finishing what I started in you. And when it is complete, you will look back at this exact moment, and realize. It was never something moving in your room to harm you. It was me, guiding you into your new beginning. Chosen one, now listen carefully, before you leave this moment. If you felt this message in your heart, do not ignore it. This is your sign, to stay connected, to stay aware, and to stay aligned. Because what is coming next in your life, will require your focus, more than ever before. Chosen one, do not let this feeling fade away, into doubt again. Hold on to the clarity you received in this message. And if your heart is still sensitive, still awake, still feeling something deep inside, then this is not the end, for you, it is only the beginning. Stay open, stay strong, and do not go back to fear. Because you are being led forward, step by step, into something greater than you imagined. Chosen one, if you are ready for the next message, stay connected, and prepare your heart. Because I am not finished guiding you yet.